In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a moving animation in CapCut PC. If you want to make graphics, text, or video clips move smoothly across your screen, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut makes the process very simple with keyframes, and once you understand this basic technique, you can use it for all kinds of motion effects in your edits. To begin, let's set the starting position for your animation. Click on your clip in the timeline so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which layer or object you want to animate. Once your clip is selected, move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the movement to start. Try to be as precise as possible here, because this point will control when the animation begins. Now go over to the top right Properties panel. Under Video, then Basic, look for the Position setting. Next to Position, click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. This locks in the starting point of your object. In other words, you're telling CapCut, at this exact moment, I want the object to be right here. That first keyframe acts like an anchor for the beginning of the movement. Next, you'll set how long the motion should last. To do that, drag the playhead forward on the timeline to the exact frame where you want the object to stop moving. The distance between the first keyframe and this new playhead position determines the duration of the animation. If the playhead is only a little farther ahead, the movement will be quick. If it's farther away, the motion will feel slower and more gradual. So take a second here and think about the pacing you want. Now it's time to animate. Move your mouse to the preview screen where you can see your selected object. Click on the object, hold, and drag it directly to its new position on the screen. As soon as you move it while the playhead is at this new point in time, CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe for you. That means the software now knows where the object starts and where it ends. When you press play, your object will move smoothly from the first position to the second. That's the full animation. And that's it. You've successfully created a moving animation in CapCut PC. This simple method is great for making your edits feel more dynamic and professional, and it's a perfect foundation for more advanced animation work later on.